universities will get 2.525 billion naira each. All polytechnics will get 1.871 billion naira each. And all colleges of education will get 2.056 billion naira each. These funds are meant to strengthen critical physical infrastructure, enhance academic programs, boost research and innovation, and drive overall transformation in Nigeria's tertiary education sector.
TETFund is here to support, but this support has gone beyond support but responsibility, as if. So I think that's why it is important, very, very important, that the public is involved in managing critical institutions.
The heads of institutions, you are highly challenged to make use of the funds given to you judiciously, expeditiously, so that when you expedite actions, you can request more in a very clear way. You can request for more funds.
That much is also desired, both from TETFund and the beneficiary institutions, but with respect to project quality. I'm sure that vice chancellors, provosts, and rectors will agree with me that many of the projects that we have on our campuses cannot equate to the amount of money that have been voted for them. So we must do something about that.
Over the years, TETFund interventions have significantly enhanced infrastructure development, academic staff training, research and innovation, library development, and the general learning environment across our universities and other tertiary institutions. These interventions have contributed immensely to improving quality assurance, relevance, and global competitiveness of our institutions.